Thanks for watching Travel with John Spee. Here's my tour and review of an ocean view cabin aboard Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. As I entered this cabin for the first time, it had a very warm and inviting feel. Directly to your right when you enter is where you'll find the bathroom. This bathroom had a good amount of storage space, and it was comfortable overall. I really enjoyed the space that the shower provided, and I thought it was cool that it had a seat inside. As you step outside the bathroom, this is where you'll find your light and AC controls. This full-length mirror was a great help when getting dressed, but it also provided a good amount of storage space inside. On the other side, this is where you'll find your main storage closets. During my 7-day sailing, I found these closets to offer the perfect amount of space for all of my items. If you're enjoying this cabin tour, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Between the side tray table and the main desk, there was a good amount of tabletop space in this cabin. I found the refrigerator to be able to hold about 5 to 6 bottles of water. In this cabin, you will find USB-C and USB charging ports, along with American and European power outlets. Even though this couch did not convert to a pull-out bed, I found it to be very comfortable and relaxing for lounging around during my sailing. One of the things I love about the beds on Royal Caribbean is that they have a really plush feel, which helps to provide some great nights of rest and relaxation while cruising. You will find additional USB and power outlets on the side of the bed. I found these shelves beside the TV to be a nice decorative touch. My favorite feature of this cabin is you can use your phone to control the TV, climate control, and lights. These ocean view cabins provide some great lighting during the day and some even better views as you sail away. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content from the Icon of the Seas coming soon, including my full ship tour and review, my dining experience at the Empire Supper Club, and more. Now check out this sneak peek. Thanks for watching.